This color is eating, okay? What's up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel if you are new. Hey girl, hey, what's up? I'm Sharron. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Hopefully you'll stay a while, watch some more content, and subscribe before you go. But today I'm really excited. As you can probably tell, we're going to be reviewing Miss Girl Hair that I have on right here, right now. Spoiler alert, I'm obsessed. Okay, let's get into it.
So this is what your wig will come in, just a double line silk bag. It has a name card with care instructions on the back. This is the style Gin. It is just a highlight brown blonde color bang bob wig. It looks like this. It has a lace part with combs in back, combs on the side, adjustable strap, and elastic band. She was looking a little rough out the pack, but once you co-wash her and straighten her out, she should be good.
Hey y'all, so first of all, let me just say I'm having a little mic issue because of the type of shirt that I have on. I'm having trouble keeping my mic attached, so hopefully the audio is not crazy. But here's our girl after she has been co-washed and air dried. I literally just co-washed the wig and then I threw it on the mannequin head and let it just sit until it was dry, and she is completely dry. Okay, so now it's time to style the wig, and listen, nothing makes me happier than knowing I have a super quick and easy wig that I could just throw on that looks so cute. Please. So I'm really excited about Miss Gin. I do not have my hair let me not yell because the mic is literally right here. I do not have my hair like braided or anything like that, so let's hope this will go okay. And when I say go well, I mean like the wig actually fitting on my head. Don't ask me why I did my edges when I'm having a bang wig on. I don't know, it's just habit. Okay, so first of all, I've opted to take the mic off just because the way this outfit is set up, it is not conducive for a mic, and it will be falling all over the place and potentially exposing my boob. Okay, and I don't want to change because I like this. With this, I needed something black to wear to offset the hair. Okay, so that's first thing. Second thing, this is the final look. What do we think? What do we think? What is she giving? I think it's really, really cute. Perfect for the end of summer, beginning of fall. Okay, I love the length. I love the color. Hello? Like, don't even play with the color. It's definitely giving grown and sexy. I love this, but it does look a little bulky because the way my hair is under here, there's no structure to my hair. So, like, I know when I have my hair in some sort of twist or braids or something like that and have it like, pulled tight so it's nice and tucked, it'll look even better in the back. Right now it's giving a little bit of bulky, but we just gonna bypass that. Now for me, I feel like this cap size for this wig is not necessarily big head friendly, medium head size friendly, but not necessarily big head friendly. But here's the caveat. I feel like because it's a bang wig, you could get away with wearing it if you have a bigger size head because it'll just kind of pull the bang back, which I have. I'll kind of pull the wig back some to have the bang just fall right above my eyelashes. So if I had the wig, it's pushed back maybe like a centimeter. If I had it pulled more forward, it would be like covering up my eyes. So if you have a bigger size head, you might be able to do that, like put it on and then it'll be kind of pulling back a little bit because it's a little too small, but like it'll be fine because like the bang will be falling like just where it needs to fall. But listen, purchase at your own risk, okay? If you have a bigger size head, I'm not saying to get it and it'll do what I just said. I'm just saying in theory that makes sense to me. Okay, this was definitely a quick and easy install, aside from me having to initially straighten the wig since I did co-wash it, so it needed to be completely repressed. But this is very quick and easy to install. You only really have to worry about getting the hair to look as bumped or unbumped as you want it to look. and you're good to go. Now for me though, since I did let it air dry and I feel like the conditioner that I used kind of weighed the hair down, the next time when I wash this wig, I will blow it out instead of letting it air dry. I'll blow it out and then press it, and I feel like it'll give it a little bit more volume. For now, I could go in and add some hairspray, but I really just don't like to add product to any of my wigs. That's just personal preference, so I don't mind that it is giving a little flat, but it's all good. It's not bad. It's not like a bad flat, but it is giving like a little flatter than if I would have blown it out and then pressed it. But she's cute. So you can see up close the color. It does have a part if you wanted to go in and actually like straighten that and get it all together and let it blend in with the rest of the hair. You could make it a middle part bob as well if you wanted to. Okay y'all, so that's pretty much it. It's not really much else to say about this wig. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. If you are interested in the wig, I will have the link to it down in the description box for you to check it out. Do not forget to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and drop down in the comments and let me know what you thought of the wig and of the video. And if you don't want to do that, just drop down in the comments and show your girls some love. I would really appreciate it. And that's pretty much it. Subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed, and I will catch you in the next one. Enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings. Bye.